spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ocudisa girl, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, we are back with another Temu unboxing, guys. Guys, guys, if you are a regular diggler in this channel, you already know that I'm just a Temu girl. Guys, I'm so obsessed with Temu. At this point, I must get a sponsor or whatever it is. So today we just have this little package, guys. That means the video is gonna be the shortest ever. 2 minutes noodles, guys. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Let's go. No. The first item here is these cute, nice shoes. Oh, guys, I love this girl. Guys, look at my shoes. Oh, they are so adorable, guys. Just look at the color coordination, guys. That one, these looks like denim, kinda like sneakers, guys. These are blue with a touch of pink and also some goldish. So they are having diamonds, diamonds, and then these sparkling small diamonds which are pinkish when you are looking at them, guys. The only worry I have is, what if they don't fit me? I just bought another shoes from Temu and they do not fit me, especially here, guys. So I'm just praying that these ones, they fit me. But the only way to find out is us fitting this girl. Let us just fit this girl. These are my shoes, guys. They fit me perfectly. They are just perfectly fine, guys. Look at this girl, guys. Woo, guys, this is the girl that she thinks she is. Just look, guys. Guys, pinch me, guys. I'm a goosebumps. Look at these shoes, guys. You can't tell me that you don't love them, don't you? Guys, what do you even mean, guys? Look at this girl, guys. I so love them, guys. Guys, I love them. Guys, they just don't want noise. As funny in noise, guys. They're so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at the shoes, guys. Guys, what is this? Are they even shoes, guys? Am I even supposed to go outside with them, guys? Look at them. Guys, some deserve a red carpet. Red carpet, yes, Sana. Then we are moving to the second item. This is our second item. Guys, guys, they are plaga. This is me, Kesana, plugging you. Hi guys, did you like this video? I saw like the video, guys. You can't tell me you won't like this video. Look at this girl. Look at this girl, guys. Guys, the color is mintish with a touch of white and I think it's ginger or something, this color over here. And then we are having these beads here, the white beads. Guys, the detail here is crazy. Look at the detailing, guys. It's so crazy. Then the third item is this nice belt, guys. This nice belt, guys. Underneath it is goldish, and then layered with pink and bluish color, guys. Oh, the blending here, guys. it's so crazy. And then on the side it has these little, I think it's beads or something on the side. It's beaded on the side, yabo? And then look at this, guys, the diamonds, guys, the diamonds. Oh, this belt, guys. Have you seen something like this in life, guys? That is why you have to subscribe to this channel, guys. This channel is plugging you, guys. You have to like, comment, and share. And also make sure that other people are aware of this channel, guys. In this channel, guys, we go big, sana. In this channel, we are plugging each other. There is no gatekeeping here in this channel. Look at this, guys. Oh, guys, the detailing. The detailing, Temu is on another level, guys. And Temu needs to give me some promotional items or stuff, guys, because I'm buying that, guys. I'm sleeping at Temu. At this point, guys, no one doesn't know that Ndingo was a Temu. I'm just that Temu girl. So Temu, do the right thing. Do the right thing, girl. Let's go to the last one, guys. Last but not least, this cute, nice head cap, guys. Yo, guys, I've been eyeing this and I've been thinking that this is so expensive, but I'm like, you know what, guys, I love it most. I just love it. So let me just, so this is, guys. Guys, what is this? What is this, guys? I am crying for the times that I've been scrolling, sleeping on this, guys. Why was I sabotaging myself? Did you like the video? Did you subscribe? Did you share this video? Oh, guys, shame. You can't tell me that you are just consuming this content for free, guys. At least support your girly. Support me, guys, please. Let's grow this channel. Look at this. Oh, guys, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look at the detailing, guys. Look at this, guy. Yo, this is so classic, guys. You can't tell me otherwise, guys. This is exquisite, extremely super mavongovious. Yo, guys, I wonder what am I saying. It is so cute, guys. So guys, if you watch up until this far, it means the video was popping, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's meet on the other one, guys. Love you loads. With God's love never fails. Bye.